IKONN Ti-1 Indoor Thermometer. The thermometer is designed to be mounted wherever is convenient for you. It has a folding stand at the back, allowing it to be placed on a shelf. Alternatively, you can use the built-in magnet on the back to attach it to a fridge or other steel surface. To use Ti-1 with the IKONN Controller for the first time, use the Add New Product entry.
Main menu, Add New Product. To add a new accessory product, place it close by. Turn on the new product and then press OK to connect it. Searching.
Once the search is commenced, IKONN will scan the room for about 10 seconds before listing all found products.
New product found. Room thermometer. Room thermometer added.
After your product is added, you will have a new entry in your main menu called Room Thermometer. Select it by pressing OK to hear the temperature and humidity.
Indoor temperature 26.1 degrees, humidity 44%.
You don't need to be right next to the thermometer, but the exact working range will depend on surroundings such as doors and walls.
Indoor temperature 27.0 degrees, humidity 39%.
Using the button on top, you can switch between displaying the temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Changing the units displayed on the screen will not automatically change the units used when IKONN announces measurements. To change this, switch between metric and imperial units in the settings menu of your IKONN device.
Change between metric and imperial measurement units.
The thermometer takes two AAA batteries. To insert these, remove the battery hatch on the back with your fingers. Check the direction of the batteries, with the flat end of the batteries resting on the springs. After inserting the batteries, replace the hatch. Lastly, remember that the Ti-1 is intended for indoor use. For additional support, visit the IKONN.info website. Thank you for watching.